Yeah. This is curry chicken. I just seasoned it with curry, added some oil, onions and garlic. Just browning the meat. This is what you call browning. Browning the meat. Let me take them out. Tell them to be still. Soon I gotta put the ingredients in. Getting all the flavors inside the meat.
Offering a low-cost monthly vehicle protection plan.
One of my favorite recipes. It don't take long. I make it all the time. It's like a 45-minute process. Curry chicken. Then I'm gonna make some white rice and some salad on the side. Okay.
Overweight or have high blood pressure. Derm providers have your favorite.
Fine. Yes. First I fry my meat, which I call brown. First, I do this with the oxtails too. Season them and pre-fry them, and then cook them. But I do the same process with this. I always choose to make curry chicken because it's my favorite. So good. I can't go to the island.
It's the best food you gonna eat in Patterson. You hear me? The cleanest, flavorful. Come on, man. What else can I say, man?
Okay, so now these are like those. This over into there. Scotch bonnet peppers. Give us the heat. Pop that in there. See if I got enough water. Now I'm gonna add more water to cover. Okay. I use unsalted because it's already flavored already. I don't use salted butter. Only on some things I use it, but this my food I use unsalted. So I'm gonna take like, what's this? Right where them lines are, but I just went past one line. See? And I just dropped one. Just a little butter in here. It's already turning yellow. My favorite color. Raspberry lemonade, cooler. Oh. So I'll be back, guys, in 45 minutes to check my food. But within the 45-minute time, I'll come back in about 25 minutes to add potatoes and onions and all of that stuff. I don't want to add it now. It's going to get mushy. Okay, bye guys. Clean up tomorrow. Okay guys, hi. I'm back. It's been an hour. The meat is done. And here we go. I've turned the fire off. Yeah. Curry chicken with potatoes. See that? There's the rice with peas. I use garlic, thyme, bungo peas. Jamaicans have their own peas, but they just pigeon peas. And I'm just turning the rice. Adding a little coconut milk in it. Coconut milk. You can see it's still full. I have to choose like this half of the packet. To the rice. That's what I added. Down for another maybe 10 minutes. And you can come back in 10 minutes. Oh, it's hot. Amazing. Just let this sit while the rice get done. Then the longer it sits, the gravy gets thicker as it sits on. There you go. So we got the rice and peas. We got the salad. Big bowl of it too. So we have the curry chicken. Then I'll plate it all up. Beautiful.
Broadway season. Eager to get saved. Visit the cottage on